Our milking shed is modern. We milk 17 cows at the same time. Hygiene is essential.
Allez, on y va.
We clean the teat so the udder is completely clean. We remove the first few jets to ensure that the milk is of excellent quality. Then we attach the machine to the udder. In France, the price of milk depends on quality. This is a reflection of the health of the herd. It also has an important influence on the purchase value and can make up 10% of our milk price. The cows eat between 60 kilos and 80 kilos of fodder per day and per animal. This varied and balanced diet produces good quality milk. We produce at least 95% of the fodder on our farm. In spring, the cows go to the pasture and eat grass. During the summer, they have grass, which we complement as required with silage and cereals. And in winter, when there's no more grass in the fields, they have maize silage, grass silage, and hay. The cow spends a third of the time ruminating, a third of the time resting, and about a third of the time eating.